At the beginning of the trading week, the market dynamics reflect traders' view about the US economic situation. It seems that they do not expect any recovery. At the same time, analysts forecast a rise in the US durable goods orders. During the previous week, the US statistical data was rather disappointing. That's why investors did not expect anything good. Of course, the US macroeconomic reports are pointing to the improvement in the country's economy, but investors are expecting stronger figures. Moreover, in Europe, the economic conditions are much more favorable. Thus, investment in the European economy looks really profitable. Amid the news, the pound sterling and the euro are still gaining in value. It is obvious that both currencies are overbought. Nevertheless, there are no reasons for a drop. In other words, market participants have already priced in the fact that the US report on durable goods orders will not meet their expectations. If the indicator drops, the European currencies may go on rising. However, if the expected data is in line with the forecast or even beats it, the pound sterling and the euro may start losing in value. The euro-dollar pair continued advancing and hit a new high of the year at the level of 1.1725. At the same time, the US dollar is extremely oversold. Speculators are still stuck to their scheme and are ignoring all reverse signals. Nevertheless, in the near future, market participants will have to fix long positions, as the downtrend is expected to be as confident as the upward movement. If the price fixes below 116.80, it may drop to 116.50. That may lead to a deeper decline to 116.00, 115.50. According to the alternative scenario, the pair may consolidate above 117.40 to reach the levels of 118.00, 118.50. The pound-dollar pair has managed to increase above 128.50 for the first time since early March. After that, the pair pulled back to the level of 128.00. However, the pound sterling is significantly overbought. That's why the drop is of minor importance. At the moment, everything depends on the US dollar sell-off. The pair may break the levels of 128.00 and 128.60, and this may trigger a surge of activity. In other words, sell deals could be opened below 127.95 with the targeted level at 127.70. Buy deals could be initiated above 128.65 with the target at 129.00, 129.20. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.